Teltronic is world leader in the design and manufacture of mission-critical radio communication equipment and systems. A company with more than 45 years of experience and with reference projects in more than 60 countries around the world. Its technological independence and innovative capacity makes Teltronic capable of meeting its clients' needs, whatever their sector of activity, offering them a wide range of solutions. Its high-quality standards and proven know-how in the scope of professional communications guarantee the best service, offering integrated wireless communications solutions to relevant sectors such as public safety and transport, and to other industries such as energy, mining, oil and gas. Teltronic's offer has a complete portfolio of products and solutions based on the main radio standards of the market: Tetra, DMR and LTE. With a team prepared to offer tailor-made solutions for each environment and a complete offer of engineering and project management services, Teltronic has also been able to integrate itself into the new challenges of the future, using innovation as a navigation rudder. Teltronic, more than 45 years innovating in order for help to arrive to you when you need it.